This tutorial is for updating these trending categories on your home page in case you've got something that's popping that you want to put here so that it's not too fixed. So the first thing that you do is once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, you go onto the home page and come here where it says edit page. Then edit with Elementor, our page builder again. Just wait for it to load. Alright, please be careful not to break anything. Careful not to press anything else or to add anything else unless you're really sure of what you're doing, because once you make these changes on the home page, I am not in a position to fix them if they break the website, you know. So this is why it's very important for you to not press anything else until you come under where the categories are. So you will notice that these are just 3 different sections with images. These are just images, all 3 of them. So let's say you want to replace education. So you click under the pin under education, and come to the left hand side and click choose image. And then it's going to load your entire media library with all your images. As you can see, all of the images that are preloaded. So let's say we want to put investing in yourself. So it's just clicking here. Click on the image and then come to this bottom right hand corner and say insert media, and it's updated. After updating the picture, you also want to update the link. So you come again to this left hand corner and just search for the name of the page. It should come up. Just search for the name of the page. And then it comes up, and hit investing in yourself, and it's done. After you press update, you have changed the category. So it's very easy to change this. Say we want to replace life because just want a difference in terms of the design. So again, after clicking the pin, come here, say choose image, so that you can choose the image that you want. I'm going to add personal finance, and then to change the link, simply search personal finance. Wait for it to load and hit personal finance. Then to change the investing, the last one, again choose image. So let's put inflation, insert media, then the link, inflation. Even if you have the actual link itself, you can just paste the actual link. Then hit update. And it's done. So preview changes just to see if what you did has saved. You see here, let's open a new tab, all 3, just to test our links. Investing in yourself, personal finance, and inflation. So everything looks good, and that's how you update the trending categories.